Here, my friends, we have all-weather performance Michelin tires. Wait a minute. No, not Michelin tires. My bad. Michelin floor mats. That is correct. You heard me right. Michelin actually has floor mats for Teslas. Yes, the Michelin company that we have all known for a century, respected, and loved. They actually do floor mats for Teslas. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry. Can we cut the sad music, please? So, with that being said, guys, look, if you don't want your stuff all saggy and looking weird, not fitting correctly, still catching hair, dirt because of the mesh magnet that pretty much comes stock, well, these are the floor mats for you. Now, if you see here, this is what you want to avoid. If you look at me struggling here to try and vacuum all that stuff out, well, you probably don't want to end up like me. Guys, these are Michelin floor mats, blue laser precision fit, ultimate all-weather defense. You like how that rhymed right there? They're easy to install and remove and heavy-duty material. Look, guys, I had no idea Michelin made floor mats. If I would have known, then this video would have been done years ago. But I gotta tell you guys, grade A, 100% legit. I am actually shocked and surprised because not only do they get the job done, but they look very good, honestly.